Hey everyone, if you've hung around, you know that I absolutely love accessories for diamond painting. I am a huge advocate for diamond painting trays. I'm always looking for the newest, greatest thing, but I also love diamond painting pens, polymer clay, wood, or acrylic. But sometimes acrylic pens can be just a little expensive, especially if we're trying them out for the first time, seeing if they help our hands with arthritis, seeing what we think of them before we make a huge investment. I found this company on Amazon and I can't wait for you to see what's here. Let's see what's inside this box and you tell me, what do you think? Hey everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I got another package today, Amazon. I actually got 5 packages today, and my husband just rolled his eyes, but they're all like different shapes and sizes. Oh my goodness, and he's just like, what in the world did you order? And I'm like, well, some of the stuff I ordered and some of the stuff is for review. We're gonna dive in here. I ordered this. I came across a company on Amazon called Record Army, and I will put the link down below. And it's for a, let's see what's in here before I tell you what it is. I was just so excited. I know there's many people out there who want what might be in here, but are looking for it to be quick, right? Not super expensive and to come across quickly. So what did I get? I got a diamond painting pen. Yes, it's a DIY 5D diamond painting resin pen, and I got it off of Amazon. Now, most of the time I purchase these from small businesses, from Etsy, from people who make them, but I wanted you guys to have a quick option in case, whoop, there it goes, in case you wanted it right away. Also, this pen retails for $14.99 and comes in 3 different colors. And currently right now, I don't know when you're watching this video, but as of November 7th, 2020, when I'm recording it, there is a 10% off coupon if you click the box. Okay, so the pen comes with 2 pieces of wax if you don't get wax in your kit, but you should. It comes with, it looks like a 5 or 6 placer. Comes with, I think this is a 7 or a 9. I'm really bad at estimating. And then it comes with a straightener, which I actually need to use the straightener, so I'm glad it came with that. Then on the pen itself, you got a 3 placer and a single placer. And I chose this purple color, and it has a little bit of like orange or copper ribbon through it. And they have a pink color and they have a like an aqua color, and I already have an aqua color. And it does have like a standard 3 bump, and it just feels comfortable. So I do have some other pens you guys have seen that I've actually purchased off of Etsy so that we can compare them. So it's, you know, it's roughly the same. I mean, every acrylic pen is going to be slightly longer or shorter or thinner or fatter based on the process. But this is comparable. The weight is just a tiny bit lighter than this. And yeah, it has a little stick to it. So I don't know if the polish didn't get quite adhered or if I just need to put a baby wipe to it. It could just be shipping. Because I think it'll be fine. So yes, I just wanted to offer you guys a quick option off of Amazon. It is Prime related. It's within your budget. If you want something quick before you leave on vacation, or you really want to try it out before spending the money to see how it feels on a more expensive pen, this is a great option. So I hope that you check them out and that you enjoy this less expensive option. And until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.